Hello hustlers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, a channel that talks about career development and side hustle. In today's video, I want to talk to you about 4 ways that you can make money through Facebook. I know for a fact that a whole lot of us still use Facebook, so why not use Facebook to also make some extra coins into your bank balance? But before we get into that, you see that red button that's written subscribe. Kindly please press on that and join the family, be part of us. You do not want to miss out on the content that we are going to be posting about making some extra money. And also you want to watch the entire video, because as I've said, there are 4 ways that we are going to be talking about that you can make money through Facebook. You don't want to miss any of that, because the one that you miss might be the one that was going to best work for you. So watch the entire video and comment, like and share. So without wasting more time, let's get down into those 4 ways that you can make money through Facebook. The first way that you can make money on Facebook, it is by selling of a product or a service. So if already you are a business person or thinking of being a business person, what I will tell you right now is make sure to advertise on Facebook. And to make sure that you reach more and more customers, what you'll have to do is, 1, make sure that whenever you post your advert about your business or service, tag anyone, tag everyone. Most of us have thousands of followers on Facebook, so utilize that, tag them. And those that don't want to be tagged, they will have to do the settings. And the good part about just tagging all the people is that it gives you more scope of people to cover, because if you take 200 people, the people that they have on their timelines are guaranteed to see your post, which means even your clients will be able to see those posts. So never be shy of tagging people and be saying, what will they think of me? Those that don't want to be tagged, they will do settings to review any post that they get tagged in. So if they didn't do that, then it's good for you, because their followers will be able to see your product. While we are still on the selling part, also make sure to join the local groups of your area where they say sell and buy, because you are guaranteed buyers do join those groups and sellers join those groups. So whenever you post, you are guaranteed your post to be accepted. Unlike just advertising in any post, I'm not ruling that one out. Advertising in any group that you want to, but most of the times some groups don't allow advertisers, so the admin will not accept your post. Alternatively, what you can do is to also create your own group. Be so active on your group that many people get to join. Use a lot of hashtags that will enable people to discover your group and join your group. In that way, you will be the admin of a large group of people, and you will be able to advertise your product or your service whenever and however you want, without anyone declining your post. So think about starting that group. The second way to make money on Facebook, it is through joining affiliate marketing. For those that do not know, affiliate marketing, it is whereby you advertise a certain product on behalf of a seller and you get commission when someone buys. So usually with affiliate marketing, what you will do is to join on the program of affiliate marketing program of that particular company, and they will give you a unique code, a link that you are going to share with people on Facebook advertising that particular product. And when someone buys that product through your link, you get a certain commission. I personally have affiliated with Rakuten, so whenever I advertise the product that I am advertising, when a seller click on the link and make a purchase, I get about 20% of the commission. That's a lot of money. You can go Google companies with affiliate marketing programs. It doesn't matter whether it's an international company or a company within your country. It doesn't really matter, because whether it's an international, you're still going to be paid. We have PayPal that many of us get paid through. So affiliate marketing is another way that you can make money through Facebook by advertising the product of a seller via the links that you get provided on your Facebook. And when people purchase that, you get to make certain commission from the money they pay. The third way that you can make money on Facebook is by offering advertisement space on your timeline. If you are someone who has a large following, why not use that to your advantage? Tell your audience that those that have businesses or services that they would like to advertise, they should let you advertise on your behalf, and they pay you a certain amount. I know that those people that will let let you advertise on their time slot for 100 rands or whatever. It depends on the large number and interactions that they have. So reach out to your audience, tell them that you're offering advertisement space. You'll be surprised how many people would like to advertise their businesses on your timeline because of the large number of followers that you have. So use that to your advantage. The fourth way that you can make money through Facebook is by applying for a job. Before you even say and cut this video short, please hear me out. Many of us are looking for side hustles because we are either unemployed or are not happy with our current salaries. So on Facebook there are a lot of groups where people share, post, whether it's a permanent post, a temporary post, or a freelance post. You can be able to apply those. And if it's a freelance post, even though you have a day-to-day job, you can still take such gigs to make some extra money. And one thing that you need to note is that many of the private companies, especially the small private companies, their advertisement is through their employers. So usually I would be asked to find someone for a certain position, and I will just write in a Facebook group, anyone with this qualification or anyone with this experience, please contact me, DM me. So that way when you come to me, I am able to take personally your CV and give it to my manager or whoever said I must get them someone. Or if ever I have my small company, I can just write in a Facebook group that I need a driver, I need this and that. So that way you are able to get fresh post from employers themselves. It will be unfair of me if I don't talk about scammers. Guys, there are scammers everywhere. There are, especially with online businesses, online money, there are a lot of scammers. So please make sure at all times that you do not fall a victim of scammers. All the things that I spoke about, they are not requiring you to pop out some money. A job that requires you to pay money, don't take that. And whenever you are about to sell a product to a person, don't send a product without receiving the money, because that way people will just take your product and disappear. So please look out for scammers. Always be vigilant and don't be a prey of scammers. I really hope the video helped you, and see you in my next upload about making money.